In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set priority in Asana. Whether you're new to Asana or simply looking to better organize your tasks, understanding how to set task priority is a crucial skill. Let's dive right in and make task management a breeze. First things first, we'll need to get to the Asana website. So, open up your preferred web browser and type in the Asana website address. Once the page loads, you'll notice the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on this button. Now, Asana offers several ways to sign in, but for today, we'll opt for Continue with Google. Click on that option and select the Google account you want to use. This not only speeds up the login process, but also keeps everything synchronized with your Google services, making task tracking and management even more seamless. After you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your projects. For our tutorial, we'll be using a sample project. Simply follow your project dashboard until you find the correct sample project. This is where all your tasks are housed and where you'll be able to set priorities. Once you're in the project, locate sample task number 2. This is the task we'll focus on to demonstrate setting priority. The task will open up and present you with a detailed view of all its components. Next, look for the field labeled Fields on the Task Details page. Clicking on Fields reveals more options related to the task attributes. Here, you can customize various aspects of your task to better fit your project's needs. One of these fields is labeled Priority. Once you click on it, you're provided with several options. In this tutorial, we'll select Medium to update the task's priority level. Asana allows you to specify if a task is low, medium, or high priority, enabling your team to focus on what's most important first. By choosing medium, you're indicating that while this task is not immediately urgent, it still requires attention at a moderate pace. Setting task priority is an excellent way to manage workflows effectively. By keeping tasks organized based on their urgency, your team can work more efficiently, knowing exactly what needs immediate attention and what can wait. This practice is particularly helpful in larger projects where task prioritization is key to maintaining a smooth workflow. And that's it. You've successfully set a task's priority in Asana. I hope this tutorial helps you navigate Asana with greater confidence. Stay tuned for more tips on mastering Asana and making the most out of your project management efforts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.